Welcome to Tisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the value of 6 raised to the power x. So let's see how we are going to do this. So from one of the laws of indices, a raised to the power m plus n is the same as a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. And this is what we are going to use to simplify this one. So in that case, we are going to have on the left hand side 2 raised to the power 3x times 2 raised to the power 4 times 9 raised to the power 2x times 9 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 4 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 3x plus this one will be 3 raised to the power 2. So 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. So 16 times 2 raised to the power 3x times we have 9 raised to the power 2x. This we can write it as over 9, which is equal to, let's bring the 9 here. We have 3 raised to the power 2 is 9 times 4 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 3x. Okay, so let's clear the fraction here. We have 16 times 2 raised to the power 3x times 9 raised to the power 2x, which is equal to 9 times 9. We are going to have 81 times 4 to the power x times 3 raised to the power 3x. So remember, we are finding 6 raised to the power x. So let's continue to simplify. This implies that 16 times 2 raised to the power 3x times 9 alone, we can write it as 3 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power 2x, which is equal to 81 times 2 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power 3x. So let's continue. So we can this one, and then a raised to the power mn, can write it as a raised to the power n all raised to the power m, which is the same as a raised to the power m. So we have 16 times 2 raised to the power 3x times, so this will be 4, 3 raised to the power 4x, which is equal to 81 times, go back, this one will be 2 raised to the power 2x, 2 raised to the power 2x times 3 raised to the power 3x. Okay, now let's divide both sides by this first. 2 raised to the power 2x times 3 raised to the power 3x. Then we have 2 raised to the power 2x times 3 raised to the power 3x. So this will cancel that. And then from indices, a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, you subtract the exponent. So we have 2 raised to the power 3x here, and then down here. So we are going to have on the left hand side 16 times 2 raised to the power 3x minus 2x times 3 raised to the power 4x minus 3x, which is equal to, on the right hand side is left with 81. So we have 16 times, so 3x minus 2x, we have 2 raised to the power x times 3, 4x minus 3x, we have 3 raised to the power x, which is equal to 81. Okay, let's divide both sides by 16. 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x is equal to 81 over 16. Now remember, a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m, this is the same as a times b all raised to the power x. So 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x will now be 2 times 3 all raised to the power x, so which is equal to 6x. Therefore, in place of 2 raised to the power x, this implies that we have 2 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x being equal to 81 over 16. So in place place of this, we can put this 6 raised to the power x, which is equal to 81 over 16. As you can leave your answer in this way, or you can simplify further. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video.